Hello folks, welcome back to Outdoors with Mike. Giving you value, hunting, fishing, boating, snaring, trapping and fixing things, and cooking. Well, we got a turkey here in today's video. Delicious turkey meat. I want to teach you guys about turkey meat. It doesn't have to be a holiday to cook a turkey. You have moose meat, you have pork meat, you have other meats, and you're thinking of what I had turkey, I had this, and you want to eat something different. And turkey meat could be the other meat that you can try. It doesn't have to be a holiday to eat turkey meat. It's very delicious. And I want to thank Joseph Chambaud for donating this turkey to make this video. We're gonna cook this, and my daughter's birthday, we're actually gonna eat it with her birthday, but it doesn't have to be a holiday to eat turkey meat. It's like a moose meat, and then turkey meat, it's another meat. So pick up your turkey, folks, and cook your turkey meat. We'll get it cut up. We'll get it in a pot for you. I mean, not cut it. Okay, folks, we'll get it cut. We'll get the plastic cut off, and we'll get the turkey in the pan. Yep, be very delicious. Wow, that's a big turkey. We're gonna put it right in there, folks. All right, folks, we got our turkey out. We're gonna butter it so the foil doesn't stick, and it'll brown the top. April says
butter makes everything better.
Butter makes everything better. Yeah, April's gonna guide us to our turkey meat. We're gonna cook this and have it with Taylor's birthday today. It's very sunny today.
Now it cooks itself, you say.
I always said, just turkey cooks itself. Just put foil and put it in the oven. You don't have to cook it. It cooks itself. The turkey don't cook itself. I think it does. Oh, I think that's enough, folks. We'll get some foil on it, and we'll continue with the video. Delicious turkey meat.
I use half a cup of water.
Oh, half a cup of water. I knew that.
A cup. I knew you were forgetting. Thought it cooks itself.
It cooks itself. Okay, we'll get a cup in. You put a cup in just so it doesn't stick on the bottom. And I think I'll put 2 cups. 2 cups so it doesn't burn. And the juice, it got lots of juices, though it'll fill up.
The juices from there.
Yeah, because it's so big turkey, yeah? The bigger turkey you are, the bigger juices will come out from the turkey.
It's gonna cook about 5 hours, so yeah.
The bigger turkey, the longer. So this will take about 5 hours to cook.
Slow cooking it too.
Yeah, slow cooking it. We'll get this right evenly. So we go right there. It'll work. Yeah, it doesn't have to be a holiday to eat turkey, folks. That's what I told my dad one time. We'd keep, what's the holiday? Why are you buying turkey? And then we just buy it for the meat. because we want to eat some different meat. And after that, my dad was buying turkeys every now and then. Every week after for a while. Then after that, once a month. So I recommend turkey once a month. Okay, folks, we'll continue with the video. We're gonna put it in the oven. Alright, folks, the turkey is going in. It's a little frozen. It's a big turkey. We're putting it on 250 to help it thaw out. Then we'll turn it up to 350 later. We're gonna cook it about 5 hours, slow. We'll crank up the heat when it thaws out a little. Alright. Stay tuned. It'll be very delicious. Alright, folks. The turkey's been in there 5 hours. We'll take it out and check it out. Turkey meat. Very delicious. Another kind of meat. Alright. Alrighty. We'll get the turkey. Very hot. Wow, look at that, folks. Look at the juices. There, turkey meat. Yipper. Alright, we'll cut some off. Look at that. Oh, very soft. The bigger the turkey, you gotta oh, it's falling apart. Wanna stay together. Alright, folks, our turkey is done. That's a turkey breast one side. It's a huge turkey. Thank you again to Dustin. And there is the potatoes with gravy and stuffing. We'll try it, see how it tastes. Turkey meat. This video is turkey meat. Doesn't have to be a holiday to eat turkey. Okay, folks, our turkey's done. We'll try it out. Here's one side of the turkey breast. Looks so delicious. It's been in the oven for 6 hours. Turkey meat. Doesn't have to be a holiday to enjoy turkey meat. After moose meat having too much, after pork chops and other meats, you always wondering what good should I eat? And that would be turkey meat. Another meat. It doesn't have to be a holiday to eat turkey. There's lots at the store. If you can get one, at least one once a month. They're kind of expensive. Alright, we'll get one. And we'll have a little meal on a diet now. Summertime's gonna be hot. We'll put a little bit of salt. We'll try it out. Yeah. I guess I need a fork. It's good. It's good to baste your turkey so it's not so dry. Yeah. Good. Yeah. We'll try some potatoes and some stuffing. A simple turkey meal. Another meat that you can enjoy. I think a small turkey would be good, more tender. And maybe 4 hours to 3 hours. Alright. With that said, please like, share, and subscribe if you like. And I hope you enjoyed this video. Just trying to be myself and create content that people would like to see. And educational at the same time. Thank you. Bye for now. I'll take a little bit. Yeah. Yeah. All this turkey now the kids can eat. Cooking for 8.
Love you, Mom.
Bye.